Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, like I always do. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having just a single high impact news at 6 p.m. It may be looking that we are having multiple news, but we are having a single news at 6 p.m. So be cautious around 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, like I always do the monthlies. So yeah, price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high because it was weak, and it broke below the strong low. Too strong. Yeah. So it broke below the strong low. Then the price retraced back and reacted from this level over here, which had taken the liquidity of the previous candles, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push, and currently we are into a sideways zone into the monthly levels because the price is not going anywhere and we are roaming within this particular candle. So let's move to the weeklies for a clear picture. Now, this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is the price was having this order flow, and we are also having these equal highs. So most likely the price we are anticipating is going to tap this order flow and then move into the either side. So what do we have here right now is the price has swept this low of this candle, that is the weekly candle, and moved into the upside direction. Currently we are into this particular zone, so maybe we can see a reaction from this zone. So the weekly is still not clear, but we are having this particular zone where the price can reach to. And we are also having this zone. If the price is going to go into the downward direction, most likely we are going to see a reaction from this zone. So now let's move to the dailies. Now this is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we are having this strong high, and I'm anticipating the price to show a little slowdown into the price momentum, and then we are going to see a reaction into the downward direction so that the price can take the liquidity sitting below this structure. So nothing is still much clear, but I'm anticipating the price to close below this particular high so that we can see a price slowdown, that is momentum slowdown into the market. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what is happening inside. So yeah, this was the FVG which the price respected yesterday and moved into the upside direction. More likely it sprang up into the upside direction, and yeah, and what do we have here is the price is still sweeping the lows of the 4 hours. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and break some kind of strong low into the smaller time frames and then show a bearish reaction. Till now, I'll be bullish if the strong low is not broken. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So into the 1 hours, we can see that the highs are being swept by the market now. So if most likely we are going to take the Asia high and then move into the downward direction towards these FVGs. So let's move to the 30 minutes for a precise picture of this FVG and this uh, structure over here. First of all, I'll be marking this FVG along here. Let's mark it. Yeah. So here we marked it. Let's change the color of it because an FVG, not an order block. So yeah. So we are having this FVG. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. Now this is the 30-minute chart, and do we find any confluence over here? We still have not, but we are having this FVG over here too. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a precise picture. So this makes an inducement for the overall structure. We are having this structure from where the price moved into the upside direction and it is unmitigated. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to reach till this level into the downward direction if we are going to sweep the Asia high. And if we are going to respect this structure overall, that means the strong highs, maybe if this particular zone, most likely we are going to continue the journey into the upside direction. So till now, the bias is still not much clear if we have the upside journey going on into the market, because we have swept the liquidity and broke this high. So I'm anticipating the price to slow down a bit because it had recently taken the external liquidity, and I'm waiting for the price to move into the inward direction to take the internal liquidity and then move into the upside direction or move into the either side. So I guess I didn't confuse you, but the bias still is we are waiting for the price to take the Asia high and then move into the downward direction and see a reaction from these zones, that is the higher time frames order blocks right here. And if we are going to respect it, most likely we are going to go into the upside direction, else we are going to move into the downward direction and mitigate something of the higher time frame into the lower sides. So for now, I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia high, move into the downward direction towards these liquidities. So yeah, now let's move to the questions round. Uh, and yeah, thank you for answering the questions. You were really detailed, and let's do it again. So the question for today is, which candlestick pattern suggests a potential slowdown in the market momentum and potential trend reversal characterized by a small bodied candlestick with long upper and lower wicks? So the first option is hammer, the second option is doji, and the third option is shooting star. So please write the answer into the comment, and I'll be liking and giving the comment a heart, and also pinning the comment so that people can understand that this is the right answer. So this is pretty much it. At last, I'll be giving you a notice that I won't be available for about 10 to 12 days because I'm taking a break. So thank you for being with me, and keep learning and keep trading. Let's end this video. Thank you for watching.